In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can find free products near you on Facebook Marketplace. You can simply get access to free stuff on Facebook Marketplace in your current location. To do this, simply open up your Facebook. Head into the Marketplace. Tap right here to choose your current location. It can be any other place. Then after, head into your search bar in the Marketplace section. Type in free products near me. Refresh and you will see free stuff near you based on your location. These items are usually $1 or totally for free. You will have to just contact the person who posted the product by just sending them a message to check if it's still available. To search for more free stuff, you will just need to change to different locations to see free stuff in those particular areas. That's how easy it is to find free stuff on Facebook Marketplace. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.